So I'll read the question to you. A particle moves along a line with acceleration 2 plus 6t. And when time equals 0, its velocity is 3. So, velocity at 0 is 3. And its position, s equals 2. So they're using a function, they said position s equals 2. So we're going to have an s of time as the position function. So s at 0 equals 2 according to what it says in this question. Then it says when time equals 1, the particle is at position s equals, and that's what we're trying to find. Okay, so again, by far the most common application that we deal with is this relationship here, where we go from velocity, acceleration. I mean, I guess really I should be putting double arrows here because in one hand we're using differentiation, the other hand we're using integration. So if I'm to find that and all I'm given is the acceleration, I have a few differential equations to solve then, right? I got to work backwards and find an answer. So if I want to know what the velocity is, it's the integral of the acceleration. So I'm going to have the integral of 2 plus 6t, and that's going to be 2t plus 3t squared, and a constant. Now, because they gave us some extra information here, we're able to figure out what that constant is. Otherwise, we'd be stuck right now. So velocity at 0 is going to be 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0 squared plus the constant. So the constant is going to be equal to 3. So velocity of time is 2t plus 3t squared plus 3. Okay, so now we got to go from velocity into position if I'm able to figure out where this thing is at any time. So to get the position function, I have to apply the same process. I'm going to integrate the velocity with respect to time. And I'm going to end up with t squared plus t cubed plus 3t and a constant. And remember, we had this information up there that now is off the board. S of 0 equals 2. So that means my constant equals 2 because these would be gone. So I end up with a position function that is t squared plus t cubed plus 3t plus 2. And all I have to do now to finish this question is look at when t equals 1. So the position at 1 is 1 squared plus 1 cubed plus 3 times 1 plus 2. So that should be 7. And that looks like D.